practicing the form, touch first, and then we kick. See, this is what we have. It's very easy for you to put it down. The upper side way. When our enemies are taking knee over 90 degrees. If less than 90 degrees, a little bit, then things totally different. For beginners, we practicing Kung Fu in my system. We're trying to attack at the right point like this. In reality, in real fight, 100% you cannot attack at the right point. You will miss. So the good news is that if you practice this very hard day and night, you keep the ball. You point out the right points, you practice. So when you touch, you see, boom, directly down. If you miss, you're not going to attack at the right points. You will attack around the kneecap entirely. So we have only one result. No matter where you're aiming, directly the kneecap will open. But when we practice, we have to pay our attention to attacking the right point. In real fight, we don't care directly down. It depends on the angle. I don't care the angle here. Here, the center is the knee. I here pump first and then see? The same. Still down. Directly.